Deep beneath the golden sands of the Sahara lies a forgotten treasure, untouched by time. Not gold, not jewels, but something even rarer. Books, ancient scrolls, scientific manuscripts, hidden knowledge, locked away for centuries in the middle of the desert. Ardline. In the heart of Mauritania, an ancient city sits quietly near the desert's edge. Called Chinguetti, it looks like a ghost town, sandstone buildings, crumbling mosques. But inside those walls are rooms stacked with books. Handwritten in gold ink, wrapped in camel leather. Some of these books are over 2,200 years old. Subjects? Astronomy, medicine, mathematics, even advanced physics that Europe wouldn't discover for 500 more years. Ardline. The desert is unforgiving. Winds can swallow entire cities. So how did a library, made of parchment and paper, survive this long? Locals say it was protected by the families of scholars for generations, passed from father to son, hidden during invasions, buried during sandstorms. They call them the desert librarians. No government, no museum, just families preserving knowledge. In secret. Ardline. Scholars who visited were shocked. One book contained a near-perfect map of the stars, centuries older than Galileo. Another explained eye surgery techniques, with surgical tools sketched in ink. Some described planetary orbits. Others talked about diseases and herbal medicine unknown in the West until the 1800s. One manuscript even claimed, "The Earth is round like an orange and spins like the winds," written in the 11th century. Who wrote these? The scholars of Timbuktu, Chinguetti, and the Islamic Golden Age. Scientists, not just poets. Ardline. But why hide this? Why bury the knowledge? In the 15th century, invaders burned thousands of scrolls. They feared knowledge. Books were called dangerous. So communities in North and West Africa hid their libraries. They buried chests under homes. Some even disguised pages within carpets. Others say these texts contain knowledge that still threatens power, hidden truths about energy, nature, even ancient technology. Ardline. Now, climate change is making the desert hotter, winds stronger, and the libraries are at risk again. Some books have turned to dust, others are fading in silence. NGOs are racing to digitize the books before they're gone. But there's not enough time, not enough hands, not enough funding. Ardline. Somewhere, beneath the sand, lie books that could change our understanding of history, science, the cosmos, and most of the world doesn't even know they exist. They say knowledge is power, but only if we keep it alive.